Oh, God damn it.
I must have put enough pressure on this one, but not this one.
Oh, fuck. That was the worst of it, I think.
Yeah.
All downhill.
I hope.
Wait.
Careful with that phrase.
Wait. Don't move. Please. Oh!
151. It is. Fuck yeah. Fucking did it. Fucking did it. Day one in the books. Feels challenging, right? But like worth it. We're here.
Bro, I need a doctor. I'm telling you, my knee ain't right.
What's gonna get it right is some R&R right now. Dude, take those shoes off, get into your Crocs.
What do you guys think of my hand-picked campsite?
So you did all right. Amazing.
Oh, yeah.
We just arrived in Rock Creek State Park.
My compatriots are enjoying a well-earned pipe of tobacco.
Oh yes. Notice the meats on his knee.
Yes, Luke has... We purchased frozen
I need a doctor.
brats. That's a problem because you are the doctor, but we have frozen brats that are being used as a makeshift
Ooh.
ice pack, which helps.
Maybe I should go like this. Get the cusp.
Yeah, we're figuring it out. We'll set up a tent soon.
Oh,
Day one will be history.
We made it.
So this is what we're working with?
Isn't it inviting? Welcome to our home. I will come inside. We'll give you a tour. Leave your shoes at the door, please. It's a very nice place. So we've got the living room, and that's it. So I guess it's the bedroom, or it will be.
Wow.
This is actually, you know, when you see it on the box, it looks like a lot of room, but then you kind of get in here and it's like, wow, that is not the case. So, but it'll work because it has to. We don't have.
You have an inchworm on your.
Oh God! Get it off!
No, it's a faux.
No, get it off!
It is not a faux.
It is a faux.
Dude, it was inching so hard on you.
Well, it can go inch in hell now, but
Yo, can you put these little bungee guys in that pocket in the corner?
in our storage, our
Dude.
basement.
Are we gonna have to run this way or long ways?
I'm sure. I don't know.
Long ways.
Why
I don't know. We're gonna be sardines.
Or
I have to leave.
warm.
I don't want to see any more of this.
It's actually pretty late. It's been 7.5 hours riding, and then we were here for like an hour and a half now, and it's 8 o'clock right now, so we got to get this food going because we want to go to bed early. We're exhausted because we want to get up early because apparently Johnny has informed us that there's going to be maybe some type of storm, rain. It keeps changing. It's pretty volatile, but I think the morning's a little bit more clear, so we're going to try and get out as early as we can and try and beat it. All right, we're approaching the site. Let's see what they're up to. If they've done anything useful in the last hour.
Oh, comes Say hi to Lexi.
Hi, Lexi.
Hi, Luke.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I've been better.
He's doing great.
Where's Nick?
He's showering. I showered too.
Is it good?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, you've never felt so good in your life.
Damn. All right, I got some catching up to do.
Yeah.
And?
I had a shower. It was very good. I'm very pleased with the facilities we've been provided with here.
Very good. I didn't even know there were showers here.
Well, there are. And they're waiting for you right there.
Oh, very
Yes.
good.
Well done.
Johnny's going to bed at 9.
Allegedly. That's what has been alleged.
We should keep him up a
No.
little bit longer.
I want to go to bed soon thereafter.
Okay, so no fire.
Is there a place to get wood?
Well, Gary said he'd give us a log or two.
Maybe, if there's going to be a fire. I probably wouldn't want to stay up much past 10 though.
That's what I'm saying. Like, we'll keep him up till 10.
Okay. If we can get a fire.
Yeah, we can. We can always just ask them if we can Venmo them.
True. I have some good news to share when you get back, but I want you and
Okay.
Johnny to be together. I think you'll be very pleased.
Really? Wait, how do you only know the news then?
Huh?
How do you only know the news then?
Looked it up.
Oh, is weather?
No. No, that's still going to be bad.
Oh, no. I got my little soaps. The Ziploc bag. I got the Tresemme. I got the Degree deodorant. Got some Crest for the tooth. I got some Irish Springs for the body wash. Shower was very good. I'm pretty impressed. This is what it looks like. You press that button right there, and then it comes out the top one. Water temperature is pretty good. All right, time to go ask Gary. He's a host here at the campsite, and I met him last time when I was trying to pick out this campsite here. He's a very nice guy. He used to be a former crop dusting pilot, so I would imagine you fly very low to the ground. And he's missing his index finger, and I haven't asked him what happened. I don't think I'll ever know. I don't know if it would be okay for me to ask. There we are. Look at this beauty. Gary was very generous. He let me take a larger one, and one that was also split, which is gonna save me trying to find a hatchet. So I'm very happy with this find. This gift, I'm sorry, this is a gift. Thank you, Gary, for this wonderful gift. We will now light it on fire and enjoy camping how it should be done.
Lovely,
What do you got there?
lovely first night. Got a little pesto with our friend Brett.
Brett hooked us up with some beers.
Some beers.
Brett, we're making a movie out of our trip. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Brett. He's got this beautiful camper here, along with his friends or family. And he gave us,
He's from Marshalltown, Iowa.
yes, 25 miles south, or north.
Yep. Good old Iowa nice.
He gave us some beautiful Keystones. Very nice after a long ride.
Mm-hmm.
I grew up on a farm, so I'll get your beard in a second. You're
Nick,
Nick? Hi, I'm Brett.
nice to meet you.
I grew up on a farm. They're all from the city. By the way.
It's about 9:30. We're settling in with some Keystones, some brats by the fire. How you feeling, Nick? What are your thoughts on tomorrow?
Life is good. Tomorrow will be interesting. It's supposed to rain like a lot, but it should not be as hilly as today was, and today was hell. So hopefully, hopefully it balances out and at least won't be worse than today.
Frankly, I concur. But more or less, I'm not worried. Today was a good indicator that we're gonna get through this. It might be a little challenging, but we pushed through.
I need a doctor.
I think as long as we leave early enough, we'll do great.
Did you show them the brats?
This is what we're looking at for brats, folks.
Brett, in addition to the beers that he so kindly donated to us, he also brought a little bit of firewood. Man, what should we give him? I got a little bit of Irish whiskey. He didn't want it. He said his wife might get mad. I have to. Where'd Nicholas go?
Over yonder.
There he is. Look at that reflective shirt.
It is
Humble abode is all set up. We're gonna be packed in here like sardines.
very humble abode,
Who's sleeping in the middle? Is that Johnny?
as was preordained. You guys gonna lock your bikes somehow?
Johnson's coming into the tent.
What is this?
What?
That's his towel.
Johnny, how's the tent?
Oh, it's fucking sweet. It's disco, baby.
Oh, I gotta get my sleeping bag out of here. There's my phone. Johnny just walked a marathon. It was part of an Ironman. He showed me all his blisters.
Look at that guy.
Bro, I'm pretty sure you have gangrene on that one.
Look at this one.
You These don't look all right. They're very bullous.
And then we got
This
guy.
This one's pretty concerning too.
What, the one on the pinky?
Yeah, you got the one on the bottom. That one must hurt. If that ruptures, that's gonna fucking hurt.
Yeah. And then one back here. Back here. Can you even see it still?
No, not really.
It was the same spot as this.
See, they don't teach how to use zippers in law school.
What? Shut the fuck up.